Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change your signature in Docusign. So just head over to docusign.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then next is just click on your profile icon, then click on Manage Profile. The left panel, you should be able to see signatures. Just click on it. So from here, you should be able to see a list of your signatures, but you can also add one just by clicking on Add Signature. So DocuSign will give you a pre-made signature, but you can also draw and upload if you have an existing signature file. Then once done, just click on Create. So you can just add the signatures to your document files. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!